All right, let's talk about an absolutely incredible story. It's about a warrior queen who was literally born from fire, a prophecy that came true, and a modern city that completely shuts down to relive her divine legend every single year. We're heading right into the heart of Madurai to explore the epic tale of Meenakshi. So that's the big question, right? How does a story from ages ago, a timeless myth about a goddess, turn into one of the biggest, most vibrant festivals you can possibly imagine, drawing millions of people year after year? Well, let's get into it. To really get what this festival is all about, we've got to go back, way back. We have to start at the very beginning, with the miraculous birth of a queen who is always destined for greatness. Okay, so the story kicks off with a king and queen who are desperate for a child. They perform this massive sacred fire ritual, a yagna, just praying for an heir. And then something amazing happens. Right out of the flames, a divine child appears, Meenakshi. But here's the thing, she was born with a prophecy attached. She had a third breast that, it was said, would vanish the moment she met her true soulmate. Now, you might be picturing a typical princess, but that wasn't Meenakshi, not even close. She wasn't just sheltered in the palace. From day one, she was trained to be a warrior. She mastered swordsmanship, archery, military strategy, the whole shebang. This wasn't just for show, it was preparing her to rule Madurai as a powerful, respected queen. And all of that training, all of her leadership, it was all part of a much bigger cosmic plan. A plan that would lead her straight to fulfilling that incredible prophecy she was born with. So when she became queen, Meenakshi went on this huge conquest. She led her army, which was undefeated, by the way, across all these different lands, basically searching for someone who could be her equal, a warrior who could actually match her strength. And that journey took her all the way to the Himalayas, to the divine home of Lord Shiva himself. And this is the moment everything changes. The second Meenakshi saw Lord Shiva, the prophecy came true. Her third breast vanished, just like that. It was the sign that confirmed her real identity. She wasn't just a queen, she was a divine goddess, an incarnation of Parvati. So, with her destiny revealed and her true love found, a divine wedding was announced. And when the news got back to Madurai, the whole kingdom just erupted. Everyone started getting ready for what was going to be the most magnificent wedding the world had ever seen. So that's the ancient story. But what's truly mind-blowing is that this legend isn't just stuck in some old book. It is a living, breathing event that takes over the entire city of Madurai, even today. And you can literally draw a straight line from the legend to the festival. Meenakshi's coronation in the story, today, that's the Pattabhishekam ceremony. Her marriage to Shiva, that's the Thirukalyanam ritual. And the gods traveling to attend the wedding, that's reenacted in Kallazhagar's journey. The myth is the actual blueprint for the modern festival. This whole celebration is called the Chithirai Thiruvizha. Every single year, millions of people pour into the famous Madurai Meenakshi temple to witness it and to be a part of retelling this incredible love story. So you're probably wondering, what does it actually look like when a whole city relives a myth? Well, let's break down the key events that make this one of the most spectacular festivals on the planet. It all kicks off with a Pattabhishekam. In this incredible ceremony, the idol of Meenakshi is officially crowned. It's a symbolic handover of power, and for the next few days, she is the official reigning queen of Madurai. It's amazing. But the real centerpiece, the moment everyone is waiting for, is the Thirukalyanam, the holy wedding. Inside the temple, the marriage of the idols of Meenakshi and Sundareswarar, which is the name Shiva goes by in Madurai, is performed with so much devotion. It's this deeply emotional, absolutely beautiful moment for the millions of people watching. After the wedding, the celebration just spills out into the streets. See, the legend says Meenakshi's brother, Lord Vishnu, travels from the nearby hills to attend her wedding. This becomes a massive citywide procession. It all leads to this iconic scene where his idol, on a golden horse, enters the Vaigai River. And you've got these enormous, ornate temple chariots being pulled through the streets by thousands and thousands of people. But, this festival is so much more than just rituals and spectacle. It holds a really deep meaning for the people who celebrate it. It's about more than just telling a cool story.
At its very heart, this divine marriage represents something fundamental. Meenakshi is Shakti. She's cosmic energy, power. Shiva represents peace, consciousness. So their union symbolizes the perfect balance between these two forces, the kind of harmony that keeps the whole universe in check. And that idea of union, of coming together, you can actually see it happening right there in the streets. The Chithirai festival just seems to dissolve barriers. It brings people together from all walks of life. It's a really powerful moment of shared joy, cultural identity, and just community. And I think that really gets to the heart of it. The city isn't just observing another holiday. For those couple of weeks, the people of Madurai are active participants. They are living inside the myth, reliving a divine love story that really defines the soul of their city.